value k that's going to make these two equations come together. And the easy way to understand this or to look at this is if they are connected. If they are connected, that means the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit are equal to each other. Would you guys agree? OK, so let's go ahead and say then, if these are continuous, then the limit as x approaches 0 from the left of f of x is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of f of x. So we said, well, if it's approaching 0 from the left, that means it has to be x values that are less than 0. And again, if we wanted to evaluate this limit here, we know that this is a continuous function, right? So we can just plug in 0, right? We can just plug in the value 0 because this is continuous. So we could say 0 squared plus k has to equal the limit as it approaches 0 from the right, which is, again, another continuous equation. So if I didn't know what the graph looks like, I can just plug in 0 because I know it's a continuous function. 2 times 0 plus 1. Therefore, I get k has to equal 1. And again, does that kind of make sense? Like if you were to look at these two graphs, if it was x squared plus 1 and 2x, wait a minute. It's minus 1. Why is it minus 1? Oh, this 0 is minus 1, right? Sorry. K is equal to -1. And doesn't it make sense? If these both were at -1, like they would just be, this would be a parabola to the left, and that would be a line going from the right, right? But they'd be connected, right? So that's how you find the value k that makes the piecewise function continuous. Now, last but not least, let's look at this whole one.